Okay, sorry about that. We just had to do it in parts and I accidentally paused it, so yeah. In part 3 we're gonna do a dance party. So yeah. I haven't got my
Could you please
I haven't got my armor on it.
Could you please get me? Could you please not call me Pooh?
Pooh joined the game.
Could you please not call
Also, by the way, do you want to know something? Pooh drowned. Yeah, it's amazing. Okay, anyway, I found out that I can make my voice sound weird. Hello, my name is Gabriel, by choking myself, but that's my throat. Oh well, doesn't matter. And that's on his computer. That's what I look at. So I'm here. EE. I'm saying EE.
I found a word. Awesome.
And this is our server. It's so cool.
I found a server of my own.
Yeah, this is our own server. And we've got butter. Because we're
There's a
awesome.
zombie inside here.
We got butter. I know where his home is.